In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rearrange Safari tab groups order. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, so first off, we need to open up Safari. And then if we tap right here, it will show us all our tab groups at the bottom of the screen. We can easily switch between them just by dragging them left or right. However, if we would like to change that tab groups order, we need to tap right here. That will show us all our tab groups. Here I got two custom tab groups here, and then if we would like to change its order, all we have to do is just tap at edit, and then we'll be able to change its order simply by dragging them up or down in that way. Once it is done, tap at done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.